car is here pala. Car is here pala. Yeah. 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 Here's my katabi. Ano natatanggal to? Nahuhulog. Hey! There was a farmer, had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Oh, oh no, we forgot your teeter. 10 minutes away. Parang ang tagal. Grabe. Ang mahal na ng gas, guys. And it's only, what? Winter, spring. Hindi pa nagta-transition pa lang kami sa spring. Right? Are you ready for the summer? Me too. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, dun, 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 dun. They all go marching down to the ground to get out of the rain. Boom, boom, boom. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah.
Let it go, bro.
It's raining. It's raining. Tonsil ko pa. Sakit ng tonsil ko. Conley Park. I've been craving Jollibee since yesterday. For 2 days na. This is the 3rd day. I want spaghetti and palabok and chicken and burger and pineapple. Peach mango pie and ube pie, but we only have $40. How about bukas, Beng? Anong ulam natin? What?
Friday na tayo mangarap ng masarap.
Bukas nga, ano ang luluto ko bukas ng lunch?
Ano naman kaya mo?
Wala na nga tayong karne.
Meron pa.
Pork na lang. Pork belly na lang yung karne, guys. Hindi, oh, wala na. Wala. Nabo niya, guys, red light.
Shut up, my mom's calling.
Don't call me shut. Don't call me shut. Nagugutom na ako. Ay. Sa Walmart na lang tayo maglakad-lakad. Maglalakad-lakad lang sa Walmart. Ito naman. Naniniwala ba kayo sa akin? Wala, bakit ako hindi makapagsalita ng maayos? Naniniwala ba kayo sa akin, guys? Charan! You're so cute. I'm not cute anymore. Metro. No. Chick. And probably will be for life. Time casts a spell on you that you won't forget me. Bye. Say bye. See you in our next stop. Naiinip na siya. Let's go. Let's go. He's mad. Silly. Where's my silly? Nakalabas yung kamay niya. Silly. Lagyan mo dyan. Smooth talking. Dolly B. Dito kami sa promenade, guys. I think nag-work si Sheena ngayon.
Dito.
Hindi.
Dito?
Hindi Ano makakita tayo? Ay! Ang tama.
Kasi kung
Ako muna. Tapos, 2-piece chicken. 1 piece lang. Piece ako. Tapos, pineapple. Soda.
small doon.
Yun lang.
Pineapple sa kasama mo yun. Sabi sa pineapple ko.
Yun lang. Okay.
OMG, ang cute niya. Ano pangalan?
Dylan.
Tina?
Dylan.
Dylan? Oh, lalaki. Hello!
She's vlogging. Here we go. 2-piece chicken with spicy palabok. Show them yours. Ay, na. And then we have the lemon juice here. We have the... Very quiet, huh? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Where are you? One. Labay. There. Hindi pa pwede dyan. Or dito? Talarama.
Pasundot-sundot lang. Ito ba yun?
Uy, Beo. Montoy.
Ito ba yun?
Sabay.
Ganyan ba yun?
Kaso, yung kasya sa cart. Masyado namang malaki yan. Anong oras na? Pagsara ng tindahan, lahat ay dapat mabenta. 6:22. Bakit sila, yan? Pilipino yan? Tingnan nyo guys. Siguro in-AI lang nila yung post. May roots pala dito. May roots. May Bath and Body Works.
Ano nga? Dalawang customer lang magbenta naman. Para naman.
Gawin mo $70 each yung product item mo. Ay, mali na naman ba inanuhan na?
Tama.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye vlog.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, baby. Ito na yung pinakamura, guys. 148. Sa iba, 159. Hmm? Eh. Eh.
Bagay na lang sa friend. Hindi man lang isipin yung tension. Mura na yun, 140. Kaya natin sa iba.
Ano, huwag na. Baka masaktan ka pa. Mag 142.
Mura dito rin. Nasa Petro ka.
That's you naman. That's you naman. You know, Daddy fought so hard just for us to be able to afford this and buy this bago ako manganak. Hmm? See you at home. Here's our drink. Jolly Babe. Cheers!
148 din. Biglang baba eh, no? Loko-loko rin yung gas station. Kanina 159.
Baka dun sa area natin. Doon man sa Daffy rin yun. Oo, I heard putotot. Pururot.